Hello all you Advocare sellers out there. I wanted to go over a few quick things that are mistakes that you're probably making on Facebook. First off, do not post or share offensive or questionable content. This should be common sense, but I see it all the time. If you're posting offensive things, people are going to take offense to them, and you're going to either get ignored or unfriended, and that's a loss of a potential client. We can't have that. Next is do not post or share political content. This goes along the same lines. If you post something political, there will be a lot of people that agree with you, but there will be just as many that disagree with you. And political arguments are a firestorm that will cause you to be unfriended and lose friends in real life even. Next up is do not complain. We constantly see rants on Facebook about complaints about your spouse or your kids or your job or your bills, all that stuff. It just looks whiny, and people don't want to do business with people that are whiny or complain all the time. Don't post or share immature or unintelligent things. What I mean by that is don't put up a big post that's full of misspellings and grammatical errors. Some people don't care about that, but some people do, and you want to be seen as somebody that is professional and capable of either handling their purchases or leading their team. If they don't think you're capable of that, then they won't do business with you. And last is do not completely ignore non-business posts. What I mean by that is I see a lot of people, once they start selling products, that's all they post about. They only post business related stuff. You want to come off as a normal, regular person so that people will converse with you and not think that you're just going to shove a sales pitch down their throat. So don't ignore your regular posts. Keep posting your pictures and you know, what you're doing for the day and all that good stuff. These are just a few of the mistakes that I see on Facebook. If you want the whole list, grab my free ebook. It's completely free. Just click the link below in the description. You'll get my free ebook, no strings attached. So check it out, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks.